So here's how Bitcoin security actually works. When you own Bitcoin, you have two things, a public key and a private key. Your public key is like your address. Anyone can see it. Your private key is the password that proves that you are the owner.
And the security assumption is this. Even if someone knows your public key, it's essentially impossible. When I say impossible, I mean computationally infeasible, which is a technical term, to reverse engineer your private key from it. With classical computers, that's true. You could have every computer on Earth working on it for longer than the age of the entire universe, and you still wouldn't crack it.
But then we have quantum computers running something called Shor's algorithm that changes that equation dramatically. It can solve the specific type of math that stands between a public key and a private key. Now, not instantly. I don't want anybody freaking out. Not instantly, not today, but in principle, and with hardware that researchers are actively building toward.
So the threat isn't that someone steals your password, right? Don't go moving your private keys to a different space unless you got them in your kitchen drawer. The threat is that someone derives your password from information that's already publicly visible on the blockchain.
And here's a detail that matters for Bitcoin holders specifically. Not all wallets are equally at risk. If you ever sent Bitcoin from a wallet address, your public key has been exposed. That means it's on the blockchain forever.
Forever. On the other hand, wallets that have never sent a transaction only expose a hash of the public key, which is harder to crack even with quantum. But any address that's already sent funds, the full public key is already out there.